Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, civil graduates and electrical graduates. The name of the company is L&T. So it's a core and dream company for most of the mechanical, civil and electrical engineers. So kindly don't miss this opportunity. So I will be providing the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website, as well as you can directly reach the job link, and it's a walk-in interview. Kindly adhere to schedule which is given by them. So this is the official website. When you scroll down, you can see a job opportunity that is scheduled to walk-in interview at Bhubaneswar. So from 10 to 12 years of experience you must be needed. So it's a project site. You will be getting a salary of 6 lakh to 15 lakh per annum depending upon the post which you choose. So time and venue is 19th May to 20th May. Timing is from 9:30 AM to 5:30 PM onwards. Date of interview is given very well, 19th and 20th of this month, and address is given here. Kindly make a note of it, and you can also call them and ask. Before that, you need to register, then only they will be sending all relevant details and information. So if you are interested, means just click I am interested. So they are looking for a suitable candidate for following position like project director, project manager, construction manager, and many job opportunities are available. So if you are having 10 to 25 years of experience in construction industry, means then you can directly go and attend the interview. So if you are opting for a post of planning engineer, you need to have 5 to 15 years of experience. If you are opting for a EHS engineer or manager, you need 5 to 15 years of experience. If you are opting for a QA or QC engineer, means you need 5 to 15 years of experience. If you are opting for a P&M engineer, means you need to have 3 to 7 years of experience in maintenance of machinery and equipment used in the construction project site. If you are opting for your executive manager, means you need to have 10 to 20 years of experience in construction project and administration activities. If you are opting for project stores, same experience. If you are opting for project account executive, means same experience. So qualification here, what they gave is 4 years of full time in BE or B.Tech in civil and mechanical can apply. So below that is also for P&M engineers, electrical engineers can also apply. Those who are having first class throughout the academic is mandatory, and date and place is given here for attending the interview. So in case if you have any queries or doubt, means you can call them and ask. Phone number is given here, so you can contact them. So kindly register, register between 2nd to 7th May 2022 from 10 AM to 5 PM. After that, the link will be closed. So this is the registration disk number, you can contact them. So you can also note down the details which will be helpful for the interview process. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to job seekers, especially mechanical, electrical and civil engineers. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.